I finally have with me the new Apple Watch Ultra 3, the third generation Apple Watch Ultra. So let's do the unboxing, straight to the point and in a friendly way. Technology doesn't have to be complicated. So if you haven't subscribed yet for more straight to the point tech in a friendly way, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Friends, my friends, I finally have it. The reason I have this Apple Watch is because in the next few days I'm going to show you a video with a feature that nobody is talking about and that very few users know about. But for this, I'll go to the forest and I'll show you these features. So I insist, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video if you like technology. And now let's get to the point of this video. The unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 3. I did want to do an unboxing the way it deserves, like I've done in the past. Apple Watch Ultra. This Apple Watch really deserves an extreme unboxing, but I feel really bad, I feel sick. I think I'm coming down with something. So I didn't want to get wet, but I didn't want to leave you without the video, without the unboxing. It came out a few weeks ago, but I just got it now. And now let's see what's inside the box. I'm an Apple Watch Ultra user and love it. Check out how minimalist the box is. All the information is here, and it comes with the light blue Alpine Loop. That's the band, the watch band. But anyway, now let's see what's inside the Apple Watch box. I like it a lot. It's minimalist. This is the information, right? Where we find out how it works. These are the Apple Watch instructions. We have the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This is the new Apple Watch Ultra 3 that came out this year, along with the iPhone 17. And we have the band, which I like for working out. This one is pretty cool. And now we don't have anything else over here. Let's do the unboxing. Look, let's start with the Apple Watch. Woo! Here it is. We've got it right here. Designed by Apple in California. This Apple Watch includes watchOS 26, and compared to last year's, we have more brightness, longer battery life, but those are the main changes. I mean, physically, it's very, very similar. The screen is brighter. Look, this is last year's model, and you can see that they're practically very similar. It's just a few details that have changed. It's a 49mm screen, but I want you to see how really, in terms of the physical aspect, they're very similar. But it has a feature that's going to be shown in the next video, which you probably don't know about. Now you know, subscribe if you haven't. Here we have the cable to charge our Apple Watch, and there's nothing else here. Let's unbox this loop, this band. Oh, it made me anxious, like you could hear do you know that feeling? Oh, it kind of touched the paper, a bit weird, but anyway, it's over now. Here we have the strap. This blue is pretty cool. This is really good for doing exercises, especially exercises where you need to be in constant motion. I like this collar we have here. Let's put it over here. This is the new Apple Watch. Third generation Apple Watch. With its band, which I always recommend you use the one from Apple. A few years ago, I used a third-party one. I'm not going to mention the brand. I dove into the sea and it fell off. It was gone completely, my Apple Watch and that band. So really, always use the ones from Apple, and this one is pretty good. I'm going to set it up for the first time. I'm going to sync it to my iPhone, transfer all the information, and I'll tell you more about the Apple Watch Ultra 3rd generation, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. All set, my new Apple Watch Ultra 3 is now configured. Let's make some coffee and I'll tell you a few things that I noticed, just my first impressions. Look, right off the bat, this button feels a bit stiffer to me, but more than just stiff. I think the word is something like solid. When you press it, right, I feel like it feels higher quality, so to speak. Another thing is that the button, even though it's the same millimeters, now takes up more space. I mean, the screen is a little bit bigger, which is pretty good. I like that more. I do notice it if I put both side by side. I hope you can see it. Let's see if you can appreciate it on screen. Now, this screen also has more brightness, a bit more brightness, which you can also notice a little It's not a big difference, but you do notice it in those aspects. And another thing that we already had in the other models of the Apple Watch Ultra in the past are the new gestures. For example, when a notification comes in, by tapping with your fingers, you'll be able to dismiss it or respond to it. Or also, if this screen comes up, the widget screen, with this movement, you go back to the main screen. And well, this Apple Watch have more changes. For example, the battery lasts up to 42 hours with normal use, or up to 72 hours with battery saver mode. It will give you up to 14 hours with training, or up to 35 hours, even with cellular connection. If you use battery saver, you can measure your heart rate, how long you're sleeping. You can check your vital signs in the app, your heart rate, your oxygen level. Anyway, it has a lot of measurements, and little by little, they're going to add many more. It has the S10 chip, so it's the most powerful, fastest Apple Watch with the best battery available. Honestly, it feels pretty good. Now, who is this Apple Watch for? So, who is it for? I think it's for the new third generation Apple Watch Ultra, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. For me, the most important thing right away is for all the people who want a design that's a bit more rugged. I feel like this is a bit more masculine. Men do prefer rugged designs. Many do, though some don't. They prefer a slimmer design, or women who want a design like the Apple Watch Ultra 3. More rugged, that feels sturdy, okay? If you want a new design, which I personally love, this Apple Watch is for us. Now, putting the design aside. I also think it's aimed at people who do extreme sports, and even more than just extreme sports. Water sports, like diving, like free diving. Yes, it's called free diving, right? Let me know in the comments, all those people who need functionality, mainly for aquatic activities or in the mountains. This Apple Watch is the most durable they've ever made, and it can withstand the highest amount of heat and the lowest amount of cold. As for all the Apple Watches, I mean, you'll have those options. And it's for people who want to have a watch that's independent from your iPhone. Remember that you can connect via eSIM and you can go out without your iPhone. Do all your favorite activities or just walk down the street. If you happen to forget it, nothing happens. With your Apple Watch, you can work it out. I think those are the main areas this watch is focused on. Although there are people who simply like the design, they want it. And that's it. We have apps. We still have iOS 26.1. Now, at the time I made this video, it has new features. The battery. Honestly, the 2 lasted a while, but the 3 lasts even longer. I'm very happy. Honestly, I do use it a lot. I use it during exercise to track my vital signs, heart rate, calories burned, and data sent. It's ideal for me. I love the Apple Watch Ultra 3, but your opinion matters most, so share it in the comments. What's your favorite Apple Watch? Do you like the new Apple Watch Ultra 3 and do you have it? Please subscribe if you haven't yet. For more tech videos, do it with a friendly tone. See you in my next video. I'm Andres Nasciuto. Big hugs. Goodbye.